how to align text boxes on Wix. In order to do that, just locate a part of your design site that will have a text. So we have in here this text options and we have in here this two text boxes. So for this, we have the heading and we also have in here the paragraph. So in order to actually edit it out, you can just click on which one of them and then you can move it wherever you want. So for example, you want to move both of it in the center, you can just click on your ship and then click on it and then just move it wherever you want it added. Now, if you want to actually change the alignment of each text, you can head over and click on that particular text. Click on this edit text option in order to open the text settings. And then in here, you can see the alignment option. And then let me align it into justified format. And as you can see, it's now been added like that. So that's how you align text boxes on Wix. Hope you helped.